Hello, I am John. Can you think of a life where there is no house to live in, no cooked food to eat, and no fashionable clothes to wear? We are talking here about the life of early humans. It was beginning of human life on Earth when they lived in forests and caves.
Homo sapiens, the first modern humans, evolved from their early hominid predecessors between 2 lakhs and 3 lakh years ago. They developed a capacity for language about 50,000 years ago. The first modern humans began moving outside of Africa starting about 70,000 to 1 lakh years ago.
The Stone Age was a broad prehistoric period during which stone was widely used to make tools with an edge, a point, or a percussion surface. The period lasted for roughly 3.4 million years and ended between 4000 BCE and 2000 BCE. Though some simple metalworking of malleable metals, particularly the use of gold and copper for purposes of ornamentation, was known in the Stone Age, it is the melting and smelting of copper that marks the end of the Stone Age. In Western Asia, this occurred by about 3000 BCE, when bronze became widespread. There are three subdivisions of Stone Age, that is, Paleolithic, Neolithic, and Mesolithic. In the Paleolithic period, roughly 2.5 million years ago to 10,000 BC, early humans lived in caves or simple huts or teepees and were hunters and gatherers. They used basic stone and bone tools, as well as crude stone axes, for hunting birds and wild animals. They cooked their prey, including woolly mammoths, deer and bison, using controlled fire. They also fished and collected berries, fruit and nuts. Ancient humans in the Paleolithic period were also the first to leave behind art. They used combinations of minerals, ochres, burnt bone meal and charcoal mixed into water, blood, animal fats and tree saps to etch humans, animals and signs. They also carved small figurines from stones, clay, bones and antlers. The end of this period marked the end of the last ice age, which resulted in the extinction of many large mammals and rising sea levels and climate change that eventually caused man to migrate. Mesolithic, also called Middle Stone Age, ancient cultural state that existed between the Paleolithic Old Stone Age, with its chipped stone tools during the Mesolithic period, about 10,000 BC to 8,000 BC. Humans used small stone tools, now also polished and sometimes crafted with points and attached to antlers, bone or wood to serve as spears and arrows. They often lived nomadically in camps near rivers and other bodies of water. Agriculture was introduced during this time, which led to more permanent settlements in villages. Polished stone was another innovation that occurred in some Mesolithic assemblages. Finally, during the Neolithic period, roughly 8000 BC to 3000 BC, ancient humans switched from hunter-gatherer mode to agriculture and food production. They domesticated animals and cultivated cereal grains. They used polished hand axes for plowing and tilling the land and started to settle in the plains. Advancements were made not only in tools but also in farming, home construction and art, including pottery, swing and weaving. Neolithic, also called New Stone Age, final stage of cultural evolution or technological development among prehistoric humans. It was characterized by stone tools shaped by polishing or grinding, dependence on domesticated plants or animals, settlement in permanent villages, and the appearance of such crafts as pottery and weaving.